how to add a bank account on Binance on PC. So it's easy and simple. Now after you enter or you log into your account, now here over to the top bar, select trade, now click on P2P. Now after that, head over to the more and click on payment methods. So after this, it shows this page, click on add payment method. Now after that, click on more and now type the bank that you want to add to your Binance account. For example, I will add TD Bank. Now after you select your bank and click on it, now as you can see, you need to fill all of the information, the bank account number, the institution number, the branch ID. Now the other payment details or international transfer option, it's optional. You can enter it or you can't. So if you don't fill this, so it's optional. Now after you fill all of this and you verify all of this, you can now click on confirm, and after you click on confirm, now you add the bank account on your Binance. So this is how to add a bank account on Binance on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.